Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Octas with us. So today we are going to discuss the problem Doremy paint tree of div 2. So let's discuss the problem first. So let's say we are given an array B here and it is something like that. So it's of size n. So n can vary from 2 till 100 including 2 and 100. So what the what we need to check here is if this array can be made good or not, or it is already good or not. So if it is good or it can be made good, we will say yes, we can make it good. Otherwise we will say no, we can't make it good. So that's it. So the condition for this array B to be good is B1 plus B2 should be equal to B2 plus B3 and so on. Bn minus 1 plus Bn. So let's say there is an element k which is equal to this value. So how can we check from any array if it is good or it can be made good or not? So let's say we have an array xyz. These are three elements of this array. So we want x plus y to be equal to y plus z, or we can permute it also. Let's say we do it like this, x, z, y. But in the end we want same thing, x plus z, like these consecutive elements sum should be equal. So you can see here x should be equal to z from this equation. These two values should be equal. Even if we permute it, we will get x is equal to y. These two should be equal. So we learn that the alternate place, like odd places, should be have same elements. Let's say we have something like this. So this and this are equal. Okay, fine. But this is not equal to this. So we want these three values to be equal. Let's say this is and we can permute it in anywhere. So let's say we move this one here. Okay. And this 2 come here. Okay, this. So now you can see 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So in this way we can make this array a good. But if you see this array, this was not good initially. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So the sum of these elements were not same. So we can make it good, but do you know there are some pattern that we can find out? Yeah, you are right. So these alternative values should be same. So B1 should be equal to B3, B5 and so on. If let's say n is odd, then it will go up till Bn, and if it is even, it will go till Bn minus 1. So we got B1 equal B3 and like this, B2 equal to B4, something like this we want. So you can see there will be only two elements, or we can also get one element like this. So this is also a good array. But any element which have three elements, they can't be good array in any case at all. So let's say we have n is equal to 5, which was with this array. So if we have two elements, then one element should have frequency n by 2 and the other elements should have frequency n by 2 plus n mod 2. You know, n mod 2 is the remainder, that will be 1 in this case, n by 2 will be 2 in this case. So we have 2 with frequency 2, we have 1 with frequency 3 here. Okay, I think you got the point. So we can move on to the code of this question. So this is how we will write this answer. So first there will be some test cases that we will be checking. You can ignore this and we will take the array. Here we are taking array, and at the same time you can see we have declared a map here. So you know कि here we are storing the frequency of this element. So let's say bi occurs 5 times. So map of bi will store its value as 5, or let's say it is 1, so it will store 1. So here we have a string answer that we will give as output. So now it is no, but we need to check in what conditions array can be made good. So let's say map size is equal to 1. What it means ki we have only one elements in our array. Either it is 2, either it is 3, but it is only single element. So then our answer is yes. This array is already good. We don't need to do anything at all. But if let's say array size is 2, then we need to check the frequency of both the elements. Let's say we have like this. So we can't say this is good. This is not consistent. We need at least two elements here, two frequency of one element, two of other element. So this is not the case here, so we need to check this. So we will iterate through this map, and since we have only two elements, if we check for one, the second will follow. Like I will show you by the example. So let's say x dot second is the value of, let's say I have this 1 2 1 2 1. So frequency of 1 is stored as 3, and frequency of 2 is stored as 2 here. So when we will check for x dot second, that is 3, is 3 is equal to n by 2 here? No. Is 3 is equal to n by 2 plus n mod 2? Yes. So if this value is either equal to this or this, we will say yes, it is a good array. So it doesn't matter if you have array like this, as long as we have number of frequency of this element same. So we have two twos here, three ones here, so it's fine. It doesn't matter what the order of the elements is. So finally we will print this. I hope you like the video. Thank you.